Page 291, we got a Weiche Gräser River or some such thing going on there. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I'm not going to try. But there it is, something by Brahms, another vocal piece. It's a choral piece. Singers, soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. You got the SATB. And the same thing. We just listen to them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Why is there staccato on a half note? You just cut it just a hair short. I'm not an expert in Brahms music, so your Brahms or your vocal teacher can tell you how to interpret that. But I would just cut those a little bit short. The alto's down here. If you take the two together, they're thirds. There, connect that. Here. Okay. Tenor, again, is an octave lower. Okay, and then the bass is down here. Take the tenor and bass together, you got here. Now you're going to have to do this in right hand because the bass is here, I can't reach it, so it's here. And then here. Then that measure, the next to that's measure 7. Tenor and bass is singing the same note for that, and then basses go down. And now let's hear it. And then you put it all together. Well, I like to hear the top and bottom here. Measure 9 is here. I just want to hear the two together because those are the two parts I want to hear mostly. And then it's the inside. Here, if you can play them. You're going to have to play a lot of this tenor part in the right hand though, because you can't reach it in the bass. So here. You play it together. The idea is, if you have singers you're going to work with them, first off, know about Brahms and how to do his choral music. I don't, so I wouldn't try. And then make sure you can play all these parts correctly, no hesitations, because you just mess up the singers. Don't do that. So know this part well before you work with any students that are going to be doing any groups, ensembles. This would be like a choir could do this. 4-part choir.